Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can remove background without need for green screen. This one's a bit complicated, to be honest, and I'm just going to show you how you can do it. I'm not going to show you how you can perfect it, and that perfecting a craft is up to you. Let's say we want to remove someone from we want to focus only on one person in this video and not on the other people. Let's say we want to focus on this girl on the right side of the video. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is head over to color, because that's where what we need to have is. And now click on the window tool here and click on the pen, and what you need to do is start tracking. Start picking just mask all over the video. Basically, you just choose which part of the video that you want to see. It's actually much easier if you like using a video where like the person is still, because the tracking would be much easier. So let's just skip all over it. So yeah, I have drawn all over this woman over here, and what we need to do is right click on the nose and add output, and as you can see, the background has been removed. And if you want the video to follow it, all you need to do is head over to tracker and click on track forward over here, and it's gonna start tracking your video to make sure that all the points or like the stuff that you marked around in the video will be shown. And as you can see, that person just passed by, and it caused some big problems in the tracking. And that's why I said it would be much easier if you use something that like has someone only like one person, or like still it's really hard. There's like lots of people, but that is how you can remove background without using green screen. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.